There's a vehicle coming, dude. Oh, okay. Damn, these back roads suck. I'm missing a Starbucks. I'm at school. I'm a little hungry. I'm going to school. I'm a little hungry. I feel like the mic don't pick up good on this GoPro. That's what I got. Y'all really gotta try this though, for real. My sister put me on. Oh, it's so hot. So hot. I don't know what's wrong with Georgia weather, man. It was hot. It was cold. It started snowing. It got hot for a little bit and it got cold again. So, man, people are gonna get sick. Do mukbang videos, can they just be eating in general, or does it gotta be like you gotta have the mic down your throat where you can hear like every little gulp you make, or is it just eating in general? I don't know. Oh, green light. Oh, I can't. I haven't had this in a minute. I'm telling y'all. Oh man, I know there's people staring at me. Spinach, feta, and cheese, or whatever. Spinach, egg, feta. You don't know. Just look what the thing says: spinach and cheese. It's so gas. You need to put tomatoes in it too. If you're not a picky eater, and like me, my taste buds, they get satisfied easily. Like, I like a lot of stuff. I like a lot of food. So, I mean, it's really veggie. It's like no meat in there or nothing. So, like, if you like also vegetarian, it's probably, you probably like it too. Five big booms. What is wrong, bro? Why did he switch lanes? Oh. Damn, I gotta fix it. I gotta fix it, but I'm driving. Am I considered fat if I crash? Cause I'm eating? Is that like a fat thing? I wonder how many people do crash because of that though. I'm pretty sure. We are farmers. Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum. got tomato on me. Yuck. Try to wipe my hands down a little bit, but what is bro breaking for? All right, it's time to get serious. We can drive now. We're not 80. I honestly only got this because when I go to school, I end up paying like $6-7 in snacks because like I'm hungry. Yeah, no, this night ain't it. I end up paying like $6-7 because I'm hungry, you know. So I buy like multiple things. So I was like, man, I'm just gonna give me. That's like a damn. That's really food somewhere. You feel me? Like I got this coming like $5 too. So all in all, it's like the same. I was like, I might as well get some real food rather than just. You feel me? Get some real food rather than just get some little snacks. Damn, man, this dude ruining my driving experience. Every time I smell like a nasty smell, I get scared. I think it's like my car, like something bad. It's probably this dude. This dude. This water tastes funny. Yes, I looked both ways. No cars are coming. Damn. Got some fat hands. Yeah, I be looking at other people's cars, I ain't gonna lie. Like when I'm driving, I just look over and see what's inside, you know. I'm not being nosy. It's not like I'm actually going in the car. Civic with a spoiler. Oh, this traffic right now is crazy. Metro Atlanta, when it's like this time, it's horrible. Like the places that weren't even crowded before are crowded, like, so you can't really escape this traffic. So people swerving in and out of traffic, I don't really know what is really helping them in. I mean, you still gonna end up like stuck. Like I can get cutting up, like you actually have like 1 or 2 car spaces, but I don't know how guys cut up in that. I can at least. I just don't got. I don't got that skill. Respect to y'all.